Hey guys! Requesting a payment in Payoneer is actually pretty easy, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, log into your Payoneer account, and once you're in, head over to the Get Paid section. So from there, you'll see the option to request a payment. So go ahead and click that. So now, you'll need to choose how you want to send the request. You can either send it directly to the client or through a marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, and others. For this example, let's say you're sending it directly, so click on Begin under the Direct option. After that, choose the type of payment, whether it's from business or an individual, and select the relevant category like programming, design, etc. Then click Add Details. You'll be asked to add your client's business info, so possibly upload a government-issued ID and complete a few verification steps. And once that's all set, you can set the payment request and wait for them to complete it. And that's it. That's how you can easily request a payment using Payoneer. Thanks for watching.